Guys, the measurements you're going to be needing are our bust, our sleeve length, our armhole wideness, then our cap height, then our round sleeve. We are going to be imputing it here in this measurement. So we'll go ahead now and draft a basic sleeve before we convert it to a tulip sleeve. So the length of the sleeve is 10 inches. So this is the origin of the paper. The paper is folded into two. Paper is folded into two. So, and I pressed here to indicate the crease line. So I'll go ahead now and impute the sleeve length 10 inches. So from here now I will impute 10 inches. I'll roll a straight line. This is our sleeve length. Next measurement to impute is our cap height. The cap height. So how do we get our cap height? Our cap height is our bust divided by 12 plus 1 inches. Then our bust is 40. 40 divided by 12 plus 1 is 4.3. I'm going to be using 4 inches. So from here now, I'll impute 4.3. I'll impute 4 inches rather. Then I'll use my ruler to rule a straight line. So the next step now is to impute your armhole wideness. So how do we get our armhole wideness? The bust divided by 6 plus 1.5, that is 8 inches. The bust is 40. 40 divided by 6 plus 1.5 is 8. Then you add your allowance, your sewing allowance. Our sewing allowance is 2 inches. That is 10 inches. Our armhole wideness, where the armhole will sit on, is 10 inches. So I'll come here now and impute 10 inches. Then I'll roll a straight line. After that, the next step now is to mark a straight line from here to here. So I've marked a straight line from there to there. Then I'll measure the line. What I have here is 10.7 10.875. I'll have to divide it into two. That is 5 point quarter. And I'll mark the center line. And I'll use my French curve to connect. See the way I'm placing my curve, my French curve. So the next step now is to impute your round sleeve. Our round sleeve is 12 inches. 12 divided by 2 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then you add 2-inch sewing allowance, that is 8. So from here now, you impute 8 inches. Then you connect here to here using your ruler. So I'll go ahead now and cut it out. So this is our basic sleeve. I'll go ahead and cut it out now. So this is our basic sleeve. This is our basic sleeve. So I'll go ahead now and mark the center point. I'll notch it for easy identification. So from this basic sleeve now, we'll convert this to our tulip sleeve or petal sleeve. So I'll go ahead, I'll be using this part now. Okay, I'll be spreading it out like this. So what to do is that at this from this center line now, this center line we marked, we go out by 2.5 inches. Then from this center line now, we go out as well by 3 inches. Then you use your curve ruler to connect them. You connect this point, this 2.5 to 3 inches. You connect them together with your curve ruler. See the way I placed my curve ruler. So I'll go ahead now and cut this part now. I'll cut this part out. So this part now is no longer needed. This is what we are going to be using to cut another part for the tulip sleeve. This part is no longer needed. So I'll go ahead now and cut this on another material. So I've gone ahead to cut it out now. So I will indicate the center line as well for this new one that I cut out. I will notch it. Remember that it's at the as it's under this, so I'll notch it to indicate the center line. So guys, this is it. You take this one now and place on top of it, center to center. This is the center. This notched line and this notched line, you place it, that's the center of the sleeve. So this is our tulip or petal sleeve. So this is our tulip sleeve, looking very nice and pretty. So when you fold it, see the way it will be. The way it will be. This is for only one part. If you want to cut the other sleeve, it will be 4 parts, like 2 parts like this as well. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.